You. What up? Alright. So we got another dark humor compilation from Robot Chicken.
Okay. Some more Robot Chicken. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. This stuff's funny.
Yeah, very funny.
Yeah, man. I mean, yeah, it kind of reminds me like animated show, but I guess it is animated in a way, right?
Yeah,
like
and they kind of like do like parodies of other shows and shit. You know what I'm saying?
Right. Yeah, let's go, man. You ready?
Yes.
What a great double date! Yeah, and oh my god, Ghost Rider was excellent!
I really should get you home. There's supposed to be a full moon tonight.
Oh, Dan. What, are you gonna turn into a werewolf or something?
Yeah, the werewolf who bit me was pretty clear about that.
Damn it, Dan! If you knew there was a full moon, why'd you even come out tonight?
Well, my roommate brought home a gutter skank, and I figured we'd walk out a Ghost Rider anyway.
Man!
Hey!
Ramona!
God damn.
He wasn't really a werewolf.
That Dan is always making up stories. Wow, he was really convincing.
He really got you.
God damn.
Ever. That was so funny. I mean,
Somebody cleans
I
that
really
up.
thought he was a werewolf.
You forgot the Sword of Omens?
I'm a cat, Panthro. I get distracted easily.
I'm a cat too, but you don't see me losing focus every time. Burn!
All right, let's do this. Sword of Omens, come to my hand.
Run!
Hurry up, you stupid sword.
Twilight Kiss!
Jeez, it's heavy.
No!
Floor it, Panthro. Finally! Wait, there's blood on it. Obviously, someone doesn't know how to respect my nice things.
And now, Afrobot, speak! Success! Success!
I'm glad we're checking out this new pirate-themed restaurant.
We'll return your kids for $1 million! Try the fish!
The Somalian pirate, so cool!
God damn.
It's your lucky day. You guys are in the Cash Cab, a TV game show that takes place right
I
here.
remember that.
Did you just say?
I'll ask you general knowledge questions on your way to your destination.
Cash Cab, right? Oh, my sister watches this show all the time.
Yeah, Cash Cab.
This first question is for $25.
Here they come!
Ben Franklin wanted which feathered fowl to be our national bird?
Stephen! They killed Stephen!
The turkey. That's right. You have $25.
You pigs!
Second question, what kind of banana?
God!
Denise, I never made a will. So, baseball cards and all this money we just stole, this should definitely be...
Oh my God!
Cards. Go to discovery.com for web exclusive.
Man is charged with the crime of bathing with thousands of naked children since 1961. How do you plead, Mr. Bubble? 100% not guilty, Your Honor.
True or false, sir? You lured children into the tub by promising, quote, tubs of fun.
Well, let's a bit out of context.
You also told children, and this is a direct quote, I'm fun in the tub, just give me a rub.
I am. I work my way into all their cracks and crevices.
We find Mr. Bubble guilty on all counts.
But who will bathe the children? Who will bathe the children?
What the fuck?
I am required by law to inform you I'm moving into the neighborhood.
Jamie, you're filthy! Go wash up for supper! Sorry about that. If only there was a way to make bath time fun.
If only.
Well, after crossing the freeway, base jumping off a cliff, and dodging bullets in a gang war, we finally found my reptar dog.
Oh shit.
What are you doing in the street?
Oh, thank God. They've been lost for hours. Where were they?
Stu, a word. What the Stu?
I'm sorry, the babies escaped and
Escaped? They're babies, you sackless moron!
I was downstairs working on a new toy and they just...
Oh, a new toy! Never mind then!
Dee Dee, if
you keep ridiculing my work, I swear to God.
What? You'll hit me? Ooh, you're such a
God
man.
damn.
I'll be the man.
I want a divorce.
Goodbye, Australia. America, here I come.
Oh my god.
And now back to Gullah Gullah Island. This sure is fun, Binya Binya.
Binya, Binya, have fun.
The Gullah Gullah Island?
I'll get it.
Hello, sir. We're investigating a tip. A criminal might be in the area. He robbed a bank and shot 3 policemen.
Oh no! Well, there's nobody here but me, my wife, our 3 children, and our man-sized pet Pollywog.
Binya, Binya.
Yeah, no, that's a man in a frog suit.
What? No, he's just a giant pollywog we rescued.
Where did you find him?
Oh, behind an amphibious animal costume shop.
I'm gonna need him out of that frog suit by the count of 3. 1,
Binya, Binya.
2, 3.
No! Don't shoot!
Frogman!
What's on his skin?
Sores, you dumbass! From wearing a Pollywog costume for 4 months straight!
Oh my god!
Binya, Binya, Binya.
God damn!
Want some? Oh, Liebchen, such a
Who's
mess
that?
you are.
Gomorrah?
Chicken noodle or chicken rice? Chicken rice. Good choice. So, rough day. Gomorrah, we have a guest. Gomorrah, Natasha, Gomorrah. The 3 of us are going to have so much fun.
Hey, dead bodies. Dead bodies.
Someone would throw a Nintendo Switch off that damn cliff.
Oh,
when we
shit.
were kids,
Yeah.
there were only 150 Pokemon.
Actually, there were 151 Pokemon from the start.
Nerd!
Oh, that's how he wanted to go.
Jafar, why are you so evil?
Well, Iago, since every other Disney villain got a song to explain themselves, I'll tell you. I was molested cat.
Is that my prince? Oh, I knew you'd save me.
Stand back, my love. We will soon be together.
It won't be long now before my prince takes me in his arms and... Oh! Careful, my prince! You almost... Whoa!
Oh my god.
Ah! Oh my god! What? It's raining glass! I'm blind! Please stop throwing the hook! Ow! Is that you, my prince?
I'm coming, my dear. Now hurry, my love. We don't have much time. Oh, jeez, you're not even packed.
It's supposed to use her
Now
hair.
back to Ray Charles in charge. Kids! Kids!
Family today could help put away a very bad guy. What did you see on the day in question?
Well, I was playing with my best friend Blue when I heard my
Damn.
neighbor scream. A stranger ran by covered in blood.
Ah, shit.
When I went to their house, their faces had been cut off. There were clues everywhere.
Steve, do you think the stranger killed your neighbors as retribution for their testimony against the death wheels?
Objection! Leading the witness, objection!
Overruled. The witness shall answer the question.
And is that stranger in this courtroom today?
Over there!
Don't sleep with one eye open.
Hiya, Blue. Nice to meet you. I'm your new friend Joe.
Well, Steve.
Steve had to go into witness protection.
But he's still in touch with his parents or someone, no?
Yeah, they had a lot of good shows in there.
They got everybody. Fucking Cash Cab.
Oh man, yeah.
I remember that show.
Mm-hmm.
Cash Cab.
Yeah, I used to take random guests.
Yeah.
On there.
Still want to
ask some questions.
Yeah. That'd be dope if I ended up on Cash Cab. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. That's some classic cartoons. Rugrats.
The
Rocco,
Rugrats.
Smart and
Jesus. Rocco died. Got ran over.
Ah, yeah, multiple times.
Damn.
Ah, yeah. Yeah, man. A lot of great parodies in there, man.
Yep. He had the had Gamora and Natasha Romanoff after they jumped off the cliff. I guess the Red Skull kept their bodies for company. That's what he did with the bodies. I thought they disappeared.
Oh man, yeah. Yeah,
Damn.
it's like the afterlife or something, yeah. Yeah, man, they did a lot. Yeah, these are dark, man. These are dark. Yeah. Yeah, man. And then the Mr. Bubbles, all through your crevices and stuff. Yeah.
Mr. Bubbles, they had this nigga in court. This nigga.
It's like, oh, I have to register myself as a. Just to let you know.
They saw the little kid playing in the dirt. Mr. Bubbles is a sex offender now.